Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn good money by selling study documents on this fantastic platform called STUDYPOOL. So in case you don't know much about STUDYPOOL, it's an online platform where students who have questions, academic questions by the way, paired with tutors who can provide answers to these questions. Another way STUDYPOOL is used is where students get to view documents that are being uploaded by other people. It could be a student or maybe a teacher or even a tutor as well. So in this short video I'm just going to show you how you can sell documents and make money. So these documents could be you can upload old quizzes or tests. You can upload your old assignments which you've documented in a very clean way. When I say clean, it's very concise and it's very clear to read. You can also upload your class notes, which can help students to learn and understand any subjects. Just see what subject you can upload. There's a list of languages you can upload your documents in, and you can make so much money from this platform. I just mean anytime someone clicks on your document you get to earn money. You've got some top earners here. They've made so much money on this platform, so you could be one of them and just simply upload your documents. One of the ways, I'm just going to show you what kind of documents or the format in which you need to make sure your documents are in, just to make sure you get the best chance to get accepted. For example, this is a study material that was uploaded by someone else. So so they've done it in a Word format, which makes a lot of sense. So if you use your own handwriting, some people may not be able to read it, so it's better to type this thing out so it can be easily accepted and you can start making money as soon as possible. So just if you have something so if you have this study material and you want to share it with other people, you can actually do this and make money from it. So just make sure it's precise and concise, and you go straight to the point. There's no jargons, and it can easily be digested by even the people with very hard understanding. So if you do that, you have a very high chance of getting approved. This is an example of a practice test. So if you have something like this, you can easily share. Just make sure you have the answers at the bottom. So these are the questions. If you scroll all the way to the bottom of this test questions, you'll find the answers to them. So if you have something like this that you can share with anyone, you can share these questions on this STUDYPOOL platform and start making money. Like I said, if you don't have an account, simply create an account. If you don't know how to do so, I've already made a video on how you can create a tutor account on STUDYPOOL. It's just about the same way if you want to create a student account, but you most likely want to create a tutor account anyway. So just create an account and just start earning money. There's no time to waste. When you create your account, you would have this page where you can come all the way down here and click on upload files. So if you click on this file, it will bring up this page where you can easily select what file you'd like to upload. Okay, and once you upload it, it takes about a few hours to a few days for them to get your document approved. And once it's been approved and they accept your documents, then you can start making quick sweet money. Okay, thank you so much for watching and have a good day. Take care. Bye.